Well, guys, so welcome back to the 5Ks, guys. This is the second time I've done this to try and do this because last time I made the mistake of adding one word which accidentally ended the recording before I can finish. So we're gonna restart. So the first thing you'll need to create a virus to prank your friends is you need to open Notepad. Once you open Notepad, what you'll need to do is put in set x equals wscript dot create object, and then parentheses those wscript dot shell, and then down here you want to redo, and then wscript dot sleep 100, and then want to x dot send keys caps lock x dot send x dot send keys NUMLOCK, then x dot send keys I am a virus, then x dot send keys. Now here is where I messed up last time. I was like, it'd be fun if I put tab. Well, that ended up ending my recording, which made me very mad. So instead, we'll just write SCROLLLOCK, and then loop. If you don't do loop, then we'll just do it once, and that's it. So what to save as? I'll name mine virus 4 dot. It has to be .vbs or it will not work. I already have this because this is where I messed up last time. So we'll save that as that. And then what you want to do is you want to go to your files, find the virus that you made, click it, you can just double click it, and it should activate. Now, y'all can't notice that it's activated, but my caps lock is going on and off, on and off. And go to Notepad, and there it goes. Now, it will do that unlimited times. So your friend gets mad because it starts to slow down his computer and it's about to crash. Well, what you do is do Control Alt Delete, and then go to Task Manager. And once Task Manager loads up, you want to find, see, CPU is all the way up, but it starts to go down because once you get to this, it stops it. But you go back out here, it goes back and goes up again. Well, what you want to do to stop it is you want to go to Details, go all the way down and find wscript.exe in task. And then CPU is right now at 61. Click here. Doesn't go up, and this doesn't do its thing anymore. So yeah, guys, that is how you create a virus to prank your friends. This will pop up a lot, so you just want to click it out. So guys, up here will be a video YouTube recommends, somewhere around here. And then somewhere around here will be our latest video. Somewhere around here will be our YouTube channel. Hit that subscribe button. You see that little bell icon? Click it so hard that it blows up. And then please like our videos if you want more. I hope you liked this video. Have a good day. See y'all later.